Okay, so for some strange reason, my hiccup video, my random hiccup video, got all these hits. And I thought it was really, really weird and interesting. It was like, I have hiccups again. It was the most like hits that I've had on any of my videos because of course I'm new here. So I was like, wow, neato. So I said to myself, how the hell did I get hiccups? How does one get hiccups? And I was like, let me just try to research this. So I remember one time when I was breathing in, that air got caught inside me, and that's how I got hiccups. So what I just did a few minutes ago is I kept breathing in air a lot, and I did the test to see if I would get hiccups. So I have hiccups now, and that was basically it. And I wanted to test to see if I would get them, and I got the hiccups. So I called Justin, and I.
Hello YouTube, it's Rebecca again. I'm going to follow my friend Justin, and I have hiccups again. Yes, I figured out a way to force myself to get hiccups. So I'm going to phone Justin, so I'm going to put you on speaker, Justin. So hi. There you go. So I decided, I told Justin that I wanted to force myself to get hiccups just to see if I could, and I did, because like my hiccup video, it got like a lot of hits, I guess you would say. Everyone like looked at it and they liked it. So I'm like, well, maybe I can force myself to make videos. I mean, force myself to hiccup and then make videos. is that right, Justin? Yeah. Wait, hold on. There we go. So, yeah, there you go. I think if I could force myself to hiccup, I can make another video. I don't know why people, maybe they like hiccups, I don't know.
I told Justin about my video getting an honor, and I told him I was going to try to make another, to make myself hiccup basically. Now they're almost over though, because I can feel them ending. Like, it's like the thought in my head about, okay, I think they're almost gone, but I'm not sure. So, like, I feel one coming, but it's not coming. So it's like the anticipation of the hiccup coming, and then it going away, and then it doesn't come, but now it's coming back again. So, yes, I did the tests and the research on the hiccup for myself, and it worked. So I just, basically, I have hiccups yet again. Oh, okay, and the hiccup started at 7:34, and it's now 7:48. No, 7:32, and it's now 7:48. So I don't know how many minutes that is. Anyways, and I don't know how to make them go away because I haven't researched on how to actually make them go away. So I'm just gonna let them play out and see how long they last. And I think next time I get the hiccups, or since I know how to make myself get the hiccups now, I think when I do it next time, I'm gonna see the remedies, like try all the remedies that people have mentioned, and let's see if it works. So if it works, I can let everybody out there who hates having hiccups know which remedy works the best. Like drinking the water upside down, or drinking 2 cups of water, or a tablespoon of sugar, or that was funny, or whatever works. I don't know what else works. I'm not sure. Maybe I have to look it up online to Google it or something. Help hiccups go away, question mark. I don't know. So that's what I'm basically gonna try to do. But now I kind of want them to go away because they're a little annoying. But they're funny too. Is this really weird?
I wonder if there's like a pill that could make hiccups go away. I wonder if smoking my cigarettes would make hiccups go away. Oh, nope. That felt weird. Cigarette smoke in the middle of a hiccup. No. Not a good thing, I would have to say.
So, damn, how long have I done with these hiccups? Goodness. What time is it? 7:51. 7:32. So let's just do this. I'm horrible. Like really bad. Very, very bad at math. So let's do 732. What is it? I guess minus 752 equals 20 minutes. So far I've been hiccuping for 20 minutes. I guess that's it. 20 minutes of hiccuping. And it only took me 5 minutes to start the hiccups. So
If you want to start hiccups, I think if I'm not mistaken, there might be people out there that have hiccup fetishes, which I don't want to say that's weird because I know everybody has their own thing. Okay, so if you want to know how to make yourself hiccup, all you got to do is just breathe in and breathe out like you're burping a lot, like this. Like basically swallow a lot of air and then burp it out, and it makes the hiccup start. So. I think they're gone. So that is 756. So 732 minus 756 equals 24 minutes. I've been hiccuping for 24 minutes. There we go.
thank you for watching.